Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mindful Willow Creative Arts Studio. Today's mindful art tutorial is inspired by angels, angels of hope. I hope you are all keeping well. Today, when I was choosing my collage images for this piece, I was really drawn towards angels, feeling a need for comfort, safety, and hope during these uncertain times. Thank you so much for joining me on this mindful art journey. Now let's begin. Here are the materials that you will need for today's mindful art tutorial. First off is acrylic paint. I will be using a metallic aquamarine, a metallic gold, bright yellow, and a basic white. You will then need an acrylic gloss medium, or you can use a matte medium if you prefer no shine. And I use this to adhere my collage to my piece. A pair of scissors, watercolor dual tip markers, which I use for outlining and highlighting my piece. I will be using these rubber stamps to create texture, a makeup sponge to adhere my collage to my piece, and an old credit card and recycled plastic cap to apply my acrylic paint. Recycled cardboard for your artist palette, or if you have an actual artist palette. And lastly, a glass jar to rinse your brushes and a paintbrush. Now here are the paper supplies and collage images that you will need for this art project. First off is recycled cardboard or mixed media paper. Next, you will need your collage images. I have printed these from Graphics Fairy, which is an excellent resource that has vintage images you can use for your collage and mixed media art. A leaf accent, an old book page that I've chosen to write my sentiment on, white paper napkins that I will use for the background, and collage paper. This one I created myself using a technique with acrylic paint and shaving cream. finished mixed media piece, Angel of Hope, May All Beings Be Well. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and are inspired to create a piece of your own. Creating mindful art is a wonderful way to express emotions and release what may be on our minds. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and to connect on Facebook, the Mindful Willow Creative Art Group. I will add a link in the description below. This is a healing art space where you can connect with other artists and share your art and art techniques. The creative light in me honors the creative light in all of you. Namaste.